Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 10D of question number 5C. Okay, and today I shall start exercise 10D from question number 5D. Last we have done 5C, so today I will start from exercise 10D question number 5D. Okay, so the question is you have to divide $170. You write the question. Okay, first you write the question. 173.04 divided by 14. Okay, so see 14 divided by 173.04. Okay, as like earlier, today we shall start from there. I said the process how to do. Okay, so you see again, so here 2 digits, so we will divide by 2 digit. So 14 will divide 14 by 17, will divide 17 by 14. So 14 1 jar 14, 14 2 jar 28, so 14 1 jar 14. Okay, after that 3, 1 minus 1 0, 3 is not divisible, so we will take here 3, then 14 2 jar 28 and 14 3 jar 42, so for the reason 28. So here comes 13, 13 minus 8 5. Okay, after that we are getting point, so we will put point. After that we are getting point, so we will put point. Now we will take 0. Okay, then 42. Okay, now if I take, then here remain what, 8 and here 4. Okay, then 14 6 jar 84. Okay, so you see 12.36. so write, therefore quotient equals to 12.36. okay, 12.36. now come to question number 6. okay, you see question number 6. You see question number 6. $50.6A. Okay, I am not writing the question, I am directly dividing. Okay, you write the question. 50.175. 50.175. Okay, 25 divided by 50.175. Okay, So first we'll divide this one, then 25 2s are 50. Okay. After that we are getting point, so we'll put point. After that we are getting point, so we'll put point. Now we'll take 1. Okay. So 1 is not divisible, so we'll take 7. You see, now at a time we have taken 2 digits, so we'll put 1 0. Okay. 17 is also not divisible, so we'll take 5. Okay. Then again you have to put 1 0 because we have taken another number. That means 2 numbers we have taken at a time. For that reason we put 2 zeros. Okay. Now you see, then if we multiply 7, then we'll get 175. Okay. You check 25 into 7. 7 5 are 35 and remain 3. 7 2 are 14, 15, 16, 17, 175. Okay. So that is the answer. So write question equals to 2.007. Okay. Now come to question number B, 6B. Question number 6B, you see, 52. We don't know the multiples of 52, or we don't know the table of 52. So for that reason we will multiply, then we will find the product. Okay. So see, 60.164. Okay. 60.164. Now we have to divide. Okay. So if you divide 60, then it will come one time. 60 ones are 60. Okay. Sorry, 52 ones are 52. Okay. Now if I subtract, then I will get what? 8. Here remain 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Here remain 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So it is not possible. So after that we are getting point, so we will put point. Okay. After that 8 is not divisible, so we will take 1. Then let us check by multiplying. 52 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 104. So it crosses 81. So for that reason again 52 1s are 52. Okay. Then here 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Here remain what? 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 29. 29, it is also not possible. So we will take what? 6. Okay. We will take 6. Now let us check with 52 into 5. 5 2s are 10. And remain 1. 5 5s are 25 and 1, 26. 260. Okay. Then let us check with 6. 6 2s are 12 and 1. 5 6 are 30, 31. So it crosses 296. So for that reason we will write 5. 5 are what? 260. Okay. So 6, here remains 6 minus 9, 3. Okay. 36. So 36 also not divisible. So now we shall take 4. Earlier we have taken 1. Okay. Here we have taken 1. Here we have taken 6. Now we will take 4. Okay. So 364. So 312 for 6. So let us check with 52 into 6 we have checked, and let us check with what? 7. Okay. 7 2s are 14 and 1. 5 7s are 35 and 1, 36. 364. 364. That means with 7 we are getting. So we will write 7. 364. Okay. That is the answer. So you can write question equals to what? Question 1.157. 1.157. So that is the answer. Now come to B. B you see 0.2, the divisor is 36 and the dividend is what? 0.0468. Okay, here you see this is the integral part and this is the decimal part. Okay, so whenever you cannot divide the integral part by the divisor, at that time we put what? 0 point. Okay, directly we will put 0 point. This is the rule. Okay, we cannot divide 0 by 36. Okay, that means we cannot divide the integral part, so for that reason we will put 0. Now we shall go to 0. Again we cannot divide 0, so we will put another 0. Then we will take what? 4, then 0 4, then 0 4 is again not divisible, so we will put what? Again 0. Okay, now we will take 0 4 6, that means directly we can say 46. 46 is divisible, so let us check 36 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 6 and 1 7, 72. So we can say that one time it will go 36. Okay, then 0 here 4 minus 3 1, 10. You see 10 is not divisible. Okay, so we will take 8. Okay, now let us check with 8. 36 into 2 72, then we multiply with 3 6 are 18 and 1, 3 3 are 9 and 1 10, 108. That means with what? With 3 we are getting, so write 3 108. Okay, that is the required answer. So write question equals to what? 0.0013. That is the answer. Okay, 0.0013. Now come to question number D, 6D, 6C. B we have done, that is C, 6C. Okay, now we shall do 6D. Okay, 6D. 6D is what? Divisor is 75 and dividend what? 15.0225. 0225. Okay, 15.0225. 15.0225. Okay, you see 75 and 15, so we cannot divide the integral part, so we'll put what? 0. Okay, 0 point. Okay, 0 point. Now we'll take 1 0, then it will become what? 150. So let us check with 75 2s are how much? 75 2s are, let us check 75 to 5 2s are 10, hand remain 1. Okay, hand remain 1, then 7 2s are 14, hand 1 15. We are getting what? 150. So we can write 75 2s are 150. Okay, now we'll take 2. You see 2 is not divisible, so we'll put 1 0 to take these 2. Okay, again it is not divisible, so we'll put 1 0. Okay, now we'll take 5. Then let us check with 5. Okay, 15.0025, 75. Okay, now let us check for this one. 75 into 2 we have done 150. Now let us check with 3. 5 3s are 15, hand remain 1. 7 5s are 7 3s are 21 and 22. That means we are getting with 3. So 3 75 ja 2 2 5. Okay, so that is the answer. That means question equals to, I can write 0.2003. Okay, that is the answer. Now come to question number 7. Now come to question number 7a. Okay, divisor is 134. Okay, and dividend is what? 26.934. 26.934. Okay, 26.934. Now you see the divisor is 3 digit and the dividend before the decimal point is what? 2 digits, so it is not divisible. So we will put what? 1 point, that means 0.1 point. Now I shall take 9, then it will become what? 269. Okay, then let us check for 269. Okay, so let us check for 269. 134, 2s are how much? 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, and 2 1s are 2. 268 and here 269. So I think this is the last. 268. Okay, now here 9 minus 8 1, here 0, so we will not put 0. Okay, now 1 is not divisible, so we will take 3 and we will put 1 0. Again you see 13 is also not divisible, so we will put another 0 and we will take what? 4. Then 1s are 134, here also 134, so 134 1s are 134. Okay, that is the answer. So you can write question equals to 0.2001. Let us check this answer. So let us check this one again. I think I have made mistakes. You see here extra 1 0 I have added. You see that is wrong, because you see 134 2s are 168. Then I have taken what? 8, 9 minus 8, here what? 1. So 1 is not divisible. Okay, then we will take what? 13. Okay, then 13 is not divisible, so we will give what? 1 0. Now we will take what? 4. We have taken 2 times now, so for that reason we will put 1 0, then it will come like this. I have taken extra 0, that is wrong, because you see this is after subtraction. Okay, then I can take this one normally, but I have taken extra this 4, so for that reason, that means 2 digit I have taken extra. For 2 digits you have to put 1 0, isn't it? So that is the answer. Now come to question number 7b. Okay. Now come to 7b. Seven B, you see 205 is the divisor and dividend what? 334.15. Okay. So let us multiply with 2. 205 into 2. Let us check this one. 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 and 1, and 2 2s are 4, 410. So it is not possible. So we give 1, 205. Okay, because it exceed 334. Now here 14 minus 5, 9. Okay, here remain what? 2. Okay, so directly I can write 2. Okay, here what? 3 minus 2 what? 1. Okay, so 129. So 129 is not divisible. Okay, after that we will put what? Point. Okay, we will put what? Point. Now we will take 1. Okay, now let us check with 205 into 6. 6 5s are 30 and remain 3. Okay, then 6 0s are 0 and 3. 6 2s are 12. 1 2 1 2 3 0 1 2 9 1. So let us check with 7. 5 7s are 35. Here remain 3. Here 3 7 0 into 3. 7 2s are 14. 1 4 and 1 2. So this is the last 6. So 1 2 3 0. Okay, 1 2 3 0. Now here 1, here 9 minus 3 6, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 61. So it is not possible. Okay, now we shall take 5. Okay, now let us check with 5. 205 into what? 5. Then let us multiply with 3. Then we will get 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 we are getting, and even 1. 3 zeros are 0 and 1. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 615. That means with 3 we are getting. Okay, so we'll write 3. 615. Okay, so question equals to what? 1.63. Okay, 1.63. Now come to 7C. Now come to 7C. The divisor is 275. 275 is the divisor. Okay, and the dividend is what? 83.325. 325. Okay, 275 83.32325. Okay, so here you see this is 3 digit and it is 2 digit, so we cannot divide the integral part by the divisor. So for that reason we have to put point. So we'll put point, 0 point. Okay, now we shall take what? 3. If I take 3, then it is divisible. It will become 833. So let us check for 833. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, and what? 15. 2 2s are 4. 450. Now let us check for 3. Okay, like this will go. 3 5s are 15, hand 1. Okay, 7 3s are 21, hand 1, 22, and remain 2. 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 825, and here 833. So if I multiply it 4, obviously it will exceed this one. So we'll write here 3, then 825. Okay. Now we subtract here 3, so it is, so we'll take here from 1, from here we'll take 1, 13, 13 minus 5, 8, here remain 2, 2 minus 2, 0, and left we cannot put 0, here also 0, so 8 is now not divisible, so we'll take 2 and we'll put 1 0 in the question. Then also it is not divisible. Now we'll take what? 5. Okay. Now let us check for 825. 825. 825. Okay. Now let us check for 825. You see, for 3, just before that I have multiplied with 3. You got what? 825. So you can directly write what? 3, 825. Okay. That is the answer. Now you can write quotient equals to what? 0.303. That is the answer. Now come to question number D, 7D. You see 7D, what is the question? The divisor is 12. Okay. So I have written the divisor and the dividend 15.0225. 15.0225. 225. Okay. Once check 12, then so it is wrong. 12, then 72.8225. 8225. 12, 72.8225. Okay. Okay, so we can write directly 6 12s are 72. Okay, after that we are getting point here, so we'll put point. Okay, now we shall take 8. So 8 is not divisible, so we'll take what? 2. Okay. Then 6 12s are 72. Okay, so here we are getting 0, here 8 minus 7 1, so it is not divisible. Now we shall take what? 2. Okay. Now let us check for 102. So I think 8 12s are 116, so it will cross. So multiply with 7, 84, and 8, 1 94. Okay, so you can write with 8. Okay, now here you see 12 minus 4, 8. Okay, here remain what? 9 minus 9, 0. You cannot write. Here also you have taken 1, so 8. So 8 is not divisible, so now we'll take what? 5. Okay, 12 5s are 60 and 12 6s are 72. So you can write 12 6s are 2. So you can write 8. Or here you see 96. 8 12 are 96. So 12 minus 6. Okay, here 6. We are getting what? 6. So 5 12 are 60. Okay, then we'll take again 5. So not divisible. So point is there. We'll put what? 6.685. Okay, this will continue like this. 50. So it will continue like this. After point we have taken 3 digit, so no need of finding any more. You can directly write 6.685 or 6.68. Okay, then you write 6. Here you see I have made mistake maybe. 72 8 is not divisible. I have not put 0. Okay, let us do it again. I have done mistakes. 12, then 72.8225. 8225. Now okay, 12 6 are what? 72. Okay, then you are getting point. Okay, after that 8 is not divisible. Okay, then we will put 0. Then we will take what? 2. Okay, then 6. 6 12 are 72. Now we are getting what? 10. So that is not divisible. So now we will take what? 102. Okay, now 6 8s are 96. Okay, here remain 12. 12 minus 6 6. Okay, so here remain only 6. So it is not divisible. Again we'll take 5. Okay, okay, again we will take 5. Then again what? 6 5 12 are 60. Okay, now again what? 5. So like this it will continue. So we have found up to 3 digit of 4 digits, so no need of finding more. Okay, 6.0685. Okay, so you can write here question equals to what? 6.0685. Up to this you can write, no problem. If you continue also no problem. Okay, but you take at least 4 or 5 digit. We have taken 4 digit, so no need of finding any more. Okay, so now come to question number 8. You see 5 divided by what? 6.12. Okay, 6.12. So 5 1s are 5. Here remain 1. After that we are getting point, so we'll put point. So 1 is not divisible, so we'll take again 1 11. Then 5 2s are 10. Here remain 1, again 2. Then 5 what? 5 2s are 10. Okay, again remain what? 2. So point is there, we'll put 0. 5 4s are 20. Just 20. So you can write question equals to what? 1.224. 1.224. Okay. Now come to 8b. 8b, you see, 8 divided by what? 31.6. 31.6. So 8 4s are 32. So we'll write 8 3s are 24. Okay. So here I mean 11. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. 3 8s are 24. So 11 minus 4 is what? 7. Here remain 2. So not divisible. So now we'll take what? After that we are getting point, so we'll put point. Okay. Now we shall take what? 6. Okay. And 8 9s are 72. Here remain what? 6 minus 2 what? 4. So point is there, we'll put what? 0. Okay. So 5 8s are 40. We can write question equals to 3.95. Okay. Now come to question number 8c. 8c, you see, 6 is the divisor and 0.15. Okay, here you see we cannot divide the integral part, so we'll put point. Okay, after that we'll take 1. This is also not divisible, so we'll put again 0. Now we'll take what? 15. Now we can divide. 3 6 are 18, then 6 2s are 12. Okay, now here remain what? 3. Okay, point is there, so we'll put 0. Then 6 5s are 30. So question is 0.025. Okay, 0.025. Now come to question number D. So you see question number D. 12 is the divisor and dividend 7.14. Okay, so we'll put 0 because we cannot divide 7, so we'll take now 171. Then 5 12s are 60 and 7 12s are 72. 6 12s are 72, so we'll put 5. Then we are getting what? Here 1, here 7 minus 6 1. So again not divisible, we will put what? 114. Okay, after that we will put 9. Seven point 7.14. Okay, Okay, we are getting 7.1412. Yes, the question is correct. Okay, now you see here, you see 14 minus 8, 6. Here remain 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Here remain also 0 minus 1. So we will get what? 6. So 6 is not divisible. Point is there. We will put 1 0. Then directly we can write 5 12 are 60. So question will be what? 0.595. Okay. Now come to question number 9. 9a. The divisor is 15 and the dividend are 587.298. Okay. Then 5 3s are 45. Okay. 8 minus 5, 3. Okay. Here 5 minus 4, 1. So not divisible. We'll take 7. Okay. Then 5 9s are 15. 9s are 135. I remain what? 2. Okay. So not after that we are getting point, so we'll put point. Okay. Then we shall take what? 2. So 15 2s are 30. So we'll put 1. 15 1s are 15. Okay. Here remain what? 12. 12 minus 5, 7. So now we shall take 9. Okay. And 5 15s are 75. Okay. Now we shall take what? 9 minus 5, 4. So 4 is not divisible. We will take 8. Okay. Now 3 15s are 45. Okay. Then after that what you are getting? We'll write here. Okay. 45. 8 minus 3, 3. Okay. So after that there is no digit, so point is there. We'll put what? Point. Okay. 30. Then 15 2s are 30. Okay. 30. Okay. So you can write what? After 45 you come to this step. Okay. There is no space, for that reason I have written here. Okay. 8 minus 5, 3. Okay. 4 minus 4, 0. So we cannot put 0. After that point is there, so we put 1 0. Then 5 2s are 15 2s are 30. So you can write the question as question equals to what? You can write what? 39.1532. That is the answer. Now come to B. 9b. 9b, what is given? 25 is the divisor and 0.262. Okay. 0.262. Okay. So you see, we cannot divide this one. Okay. So we'll put what? 0. After that point, because we cannot divide this integral part, so for that reason we will put 0 point. Okay. Now we shall take 2. This is also not divisible. Okay. So we'll put 0. Now we'll take 6. So you can divide now 1. 25 1 jar 25. Okay. Now see 26 minus 25 here 1. So 1 is not divisible. So we'll take what? 12. Again 12 is not divisible. Okay. So we'll put 9b 25 divided by what? 0.262. 0.262. Yes, question is correct. Okay. So we'll take 1 0. We'll take here 1 0. So now let us check. 4 25 jar what? 100. Okay. Now we'll take 0 here 2 20 not divisible. So point is there, we'll put 0. Then let us check with 25 into 8. We are getting what? With 8 we are getting, okay, 200. Okay. So you can write question equals to 0.01048. Okay. Now you see question number 9c. 125 divided by 1.2544. Okay. So let us check. 125 divided by 1.2544. So you see this integral part is not divisible, so we'll put 0 point. Okay. After that we'll take 12. Then it is also not divisible, so we'll put 0 again. After that we'll take 5, so it is divisible, so you can write 1. Okay. 125. After that we'll take 4. So 4 is not divisible. Okay. So we'll take what? We'll take this one. You see, this one is also not divisible. Okay. So again we'll take 1 0. We'll put 1 0 here. Now we can check with what? 125 2s are how much? 5 2s are 10 and 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 250, but here 440. So let us check with what? 3, 3 5s are 15 and 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, and 3 1s are 3, 375 and here what? 440. So we can check with 375. Okay. 5 3s are 15 and 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, 3 1s are 3. Now minus it 5, here we will get 9, 9 minus 7 2. Okay. So it is not divisible. Again we shall take what? Point is there, so we will take what? 250. Okay. 250. Now you see, let us check with 250. 250 we are getting with 2. Zero. Then we have taken 2. After that we have taken 125. So 125. After that 4 is not divisible, so we put 0. Again we have taken 4, this is also not divisible, we put 0. Okay, then 3 5 are 15 and 1, 3 2 are 6 and 1 7, 3 1 are 3, 375. So here 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 5, 10 minus 5 5, here remain what? Yes, I have done mistake here. You see here 5. Okay, so here remain what? 3. Yes, here remain 3. I have taken this one as 9, so here remain 3. So 13 minus 7, here remain what? 13. Yes, here remain 13. 13 minus 7, it will be what? I'll take again 1 from here, so it will become 13. 13 minus 7, what? 6, 65. Okay, so point is there, we'll put what? 0. Now let us check for this one. 125 into 4, let us check. Okay, 5 2 jar 20, 0 is matching, 4 2 jar 8, 9 10 and 1, 4 1 jar 4 and 1 5, 500, but here 650. So let us check with 125 into 5, 5 5 jar 25, here remain 2, 5 2 jar 10, 11 12 and when 1, 5 1 jar 5 and 1 6, 625 and here 650. So 625. Okay, so here 10 minus 5 5. Okay, here remain what? 4, 4 minus 2 2. Okay, so it is not divisible, point is there, so we'll put 0. Now we can divide it by 2, 125 2 jar 250. Okay, so you can write the question as so you can write the question 0.0100352. Okay, now come to question number D, 9D. Okay, 625 and we have to divide with what? 4.8. Okay, you see this is not divisible, so we will put what? 0. Then we will take what? 8. 8, this is also not divisible, because if I take 8 then it will become 48, so I will put another 0. Okay, now we shall what? Now we shall put 1 0 here, here also 1 0. Okay, then it will become like this, 4 8 0. This is also not divisible. Okay, yes, now we can put 1 0, point is there. So now if I divide, then 625 5 4, let us check with 4, and 0 is there. So 5 4 jar 20 and remain 2, 4 2 jar 8 9 10 and remain 1, 6 4 jar 24 and 1 25, 2500, here 4800. So let us check with 625 with 7, 7 5 jar 35, here remain 3. Okay, 7 2 jar 14 15 16 17, so here remain 1, 6 7 jar 42 and hand 1 43, 4375, 4375. Okay, now let us check with 8, 5 8 jar 40 and remain what? 4, 8 2 jar 16, 17 18 19 20 and remain what? 2. 6 8 jar 48, 48, 49, 50, 5,000. So it is not possible. So we will give with 7. Okay, then 7, then 5, 5 7 jar 35, here remain 3. Okay, 7 2 jar 14, 15, 16, 17, here remain what? 1. 6 7 jar 42 and 1 43, 4 3 7 5, 4 3 7 5. Okay, now check, here remain what? 5, 10 minus 5 minus 5, 10 minus 5 5, here remain what? 9 minus 7 2. Okay, now you see 8, but I have taken what from here 1, so here remains 7, 7 minus 3 4. Okay, 4 to 5. Okay, so point is there, we'll put what? 1 0. Okay, 4 to 5 0, 4 to 5 0. Let us check with 4 3 7 5. So let us check with 6. 6 5 are 30, then remain what? 3. 6 2 are 12, 12 13 14 15, and remain 1. 6 is 36 and 1 37, 3 7 5 0. So 6 with 6 3 7 5 0. Okay, so 0 0, here 12 minus 7 5, 500. Okay, so point is there, we will put what? 0, then we can give directly by 8. Okay, 625 into 8 will get what? 5,000. So that is the answer. Okay, so you can write this one as question equals to what? 0.00768, 0.00768. Okay, now come to, now you see all the exercise question are finished. So there are some extra questions, more sum for practice. So from that I'll show 2 or 3, and rest of the sum you can do at your home, because these are similar questions whatever you have done earlier. So you can do at your home, you can practice at your home. Okay, if you find problem, then obviously you call me, I will help you. Okay, see question number 12. From there I am doing any 2. Okay, rest of them you can practice. If you find problem, then you just inform me. 9 divided by what? 0.306. Okay, so it is not, this integral part is not divisible, so we will put what? 0. Okay, after that we will put point, 0 point, after that we take 3, so 3 is also not divisible, so we will put 1 0 and we will take 30. So now you can divide this one. Okay, 3 9 is 27. Okay, then if I subtract, then I will get what? 3. This is not divisible, so we will take 6, then 9 4 are 36. So question equals to what? 0.034. Okay, now come to 13. 16 divided by 64.096. Okay, so 64 4 16 are 64. Okay, After that we are getting point, so we'll put point. Okay, then 0, it is not divisible. Okay, 0, it is not divisible, so we'll take what, 9. So we'll put 1 0 because both are not divisible. Okay, 0 is not divisible, so we'll put 0. 9 is not, so we'll put another 0. Okay, now we'll take what, 6. Okay, now we can divide. 6 16 jar. Yes, 6 16 jar 96. Okay, question equals to 4.00006. Okay, okay, so rest of the sum you can practice. Okay, now come to question exercise 10e. Okay, come to exercise 10e. Exercise 10e. Okay, 10 you see, these are very much easy. Okay, 2.4 divided by 10. Okay, these are very much easy, isn't it? You can do like this. Okay, you can do like this. You see, wherever you will get divisor as a multiple of 10. Okay, whenever you will get divisor as a multiple of 10, that means like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. If you get multiple of 10, then you see what you have to do. You just shift one place left. You shift the decimal point one place left. Why one place left? Because you see, in the divisor there are how many zeros? 1 zeros. So for that reason the point should be shifted left to the one place. Okay, so here the point is here. So in the divisor there is what, 1 0, so the point will be shifted here. Okay, so I can write 24. You first write directly 24, then if you shift the point here, then it will come here, then you put a 0. You can put a 0 before that. That is the answer. Okay, now come to B. 0.3 divided by 10. So again you see, write directly 3. Okay, after that you see here 1, so it will come like this. Okay, first you write directly 03, after that 1 0, so this decimal will shift one place left, so 0.03. Okay, now come to C. 1.07 divided by 10, then you will get what, you write 107 first, 107. Okay, then you see 1 0, so the decimal will shift here. Okay, like this, 0.107. Okay, 0.107. Now come to D. 0.371 divided by 10. So write this one first, 0371. 0371. After that you see 1 0 is there, so we will put this one here. So the point will shift here. Okay, the point will shift here, that means here. Okay, now come to E 310.3 divided by 100. Okay, now you see, you write directly this one, 310,3. Omitting the point, you write directly this one. After that, you check how many digits are there, how many zeros are there in the divisor. There are 2 zeros, so the point will shift 2 place left here. Okay, that means here the point will come. So that is the answer. 3.103 is the answer. Okay, now come to F. 25.72. 25.72 divided by 100. Okay, first you write directly the digit, the numbers, just omitting the point. So write directly 2572. Okay, after that you see how many zeros are there in the divisor. 2 zeros, so the point will shift here 2 place left, so the point will come here 0 point, like this, 0.2572. Okay, that is the answer. So up to F. Now come to G. One G, you see 6.315 divided by what? Divided by 100. Okay, so first directly you write this numbers, just omitting the point, 6.6135. Okay, after that how many zeros are there at the divisor? 2 zeros, so the point will shift here. Okay, if the point shift here, you see here is 1 digit, so by putting 0 we'll make it 2, then after that we will put 0. Okay, that is the answer. 0.06315. Okay, if I shift here, then there is no digit, so for that reason I put 1 0 to make it to shift 2 places left. For that reason I put 0, after that I put point. Okay, so that is the answer. Now come to H. 0.14 divided by 100. Here you see carefully, you write first the number 014. Okay, after that you see how many zeros? 2 zeros, so the point is there, so I'll put 1 0 to make it 2 place. Okay, after that I put the point here. Okay, so that will be the answer. First you write the number, after that you see how many zeros are there at the divisor? 2 zeros, so you shift the decimal place 2 digit left. So here you see in the left there are 1 digit, so by adding 0 I put I make it 2 digit. Now come to I. 42.00 4200.8 divided by 1000. Now you see, in case of 1000 you write the number first, 42008. 42008. Okay, after that you see 1 2 3 and the point is here, so 1 2 3, that means the point will come here, the point will come here, so write or put the point here. So the answer will be 4.2008. Now come to J. 379.24 divided by 1000. So write the digit first. 379.24. Okay. After that you see 1 2 3. So here 1 2 3. So the point will shift here. Okay. That means you put the point here. Okay. The point will shift here. Now come to K. K you see 86.59 divided by what? Again 1000. Okay, so first you write the digit 8659. Okay, after that you see 1 2 3. So 1 2, then I have to make 1, or I have to put 1 0 to make it 3. Here 1 2 3, here 1 2. In 3 digit place there is no digit, so we'll put 0. So put 0 and take the point here. Okay, 0.08659. 0.0. Okay. L you see 7.125 divided by 1000. Okay, so 1000 you see, first you write the digit 7 1 2 5. After that you count 1 2 3. Here 1 only, so I need to put 2 zeros to make it 3 digit. Okay, so you put 1 is there, so 1 2. After that you put point. Okay, that will be the answer. 0.007125. Now come to M. M you see 0.5 divided by what? 10. So in this case you see 1 0 is there, so the point will place here. That means 0 5, the point will come here. Okay, that will be the answer. Now come to M. N. N you see 0.7 divided by 10. Okay, oh sorry, divided by 100. Divided by 100. So write first 07. Okay, then you see 2 zeros are there at the divisor, so the point will shift here. Okay, 1 place is there, so we'll put 1 0 to make it 2 places. Okay, 0.007. Now come to O. 1.8 divided by 1,000. Okay, that means 1000. So write the digit first 18. After you see 1 2 3. So here 1 place is there, so we'll put 2 zeros to make 3 digit. So put 2 0. After that you put point, then you write 0. Okay, so 0.0018. 0.0018. Okay, so now come to question number 2. Now come to question number 2. We have to divide. 84, we have to divide 30, right? 84.9 by 30 by 30. Okay, here you see, you can do one thing, you don't divide directly by 30, okay, you can divide by 3. After that you will put 0. Okay, you see how? First you divide by 3. Okay, okay, right, first divide by 3. Okay, first divide by 3, then it will come like this, 3, like this, 8, 4, 9, then 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, here what, 8 minus 6 2, so it is not divisible. Okay, we'll take 4. Okay, then 3 8 are 24. Okay, then 9, we are getting point here, sorry, here point is there, so we'll put point. Okay, then 9 3 3 are 9. Okay, now you write, after that you write like this, therefore 84.9 divided by 3 equals to what? 28.3. 28.3. Okay, 28.3. Therefore 84.9 divided by 30 will be what? You see, in divisor 1 0 is there, so you just what to say, move one place left as like earlier, so it will become like 2.83. Okay, that is the answer, 2.83. Okay, now come to question number 2. This is 2a. Now we shall do what? 2b. Okay, 91.5 by 50. Okay, so first you divide by 5. Okay, like this, 591.5, like this, 91.5. Okay, then 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, then 5 1 are 5. Okay, here remain 4, so 1, 5 8 are 40. Okay, and remain 1. So after that we are getting point, so we'll write what? 15, 5 3 are 15. Okay, so write therefore 91.5 divided by 5 equals to what? 18.3. Okay, therefore 91.5 divided by 50 will be what? 1 0 is there, so you what? Move one place left, 1.83. 1.83. Okay, that is the answer as like earlier. Now come to C. You see 336.45 divided by what? 90. So divide by 9 first. Okay, you write first divide by 9 like this, as like earlier. Here also you write first divide by 9. Okay, so you see 36.45. So 4 9s are 36. Okay, after that we are getting point, so we will put point. After that we will take 4. So 4 is not divisible. Okay, so we will take what? 5. But you see, you have taken 2 at a time, 2 digit, so we will put what? 0. Okay, now we'll put what? 5 9 are 45. Okay, so write therefore 36.45 divided by 9 equals to what? 4.05. 4.05. Therefore 36.45 divided by 90 will be what? 10. So you just shift one place left, then 0.405. 0.405. Okay, now come to D. Now come to D. D, you see 3.1, that means 3.1, 3.51 by 20. So first divide by what? 2. So 3.51 divided by 2. So 2 1 are 2, handman 1, so not divisible. After that we will point. Okay, so take 5, 2 7 are 14, so handman 1. Okay, then we will take what? 11, then 5 2 are 10. Okay, point is there. So 1 point is there, we will put 1 0, then 5 2 are 10. Okay, so write therefore 3.51 divided by 2 equals to what? We are getting 1.755. 1.755. Therefore 3.51 divided by 20 will be what? You see the divisor 10 is there, so the decimal will shift one place left. So like this it will come 0.1755. That is the answer, 0.1755. Okay, now come to question number 3. You see question number 3, you see 3a. Okay, 500.4 divided by 200. Okay, so first divide by 2, you get 500.4. Okay, so you see here you will get what? 2 2s are 4, you will get 2 2s are 4, not divisible. Okay, okay, then 10, 5 2s are 10. Okay, after that 0. Okay, then it is not divisible, we'll put 0. Then after that we are getting point, now we shall take 4. Okay, then 2 2s are 4. Okay, so you can write therefore 500.4 divided by what? 2, we get what? 250.2. Okay, then it will 0.4 divided by 20 or 200 divided by number 3a divided by 200 will be what? Divided by 200 will be, that means the point will shift 2 place left, the point will come here, that means 2.502. 2.502. Okay, now come to 3b. 3b. Okay, 3b is what? 845.1 divided by 300. Okay, divided by 300. So first you divide by 3. Okay, then 8451. Okay, 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 3 2 jar 6, here remain 2, 24. Okay, then we are getting 5, then 3 1 jar 3, here remain what? 2, we'll take 1, then 3 7 jar 21. Okay, so the point will come here. Therefore 845.1 divided by 3 will be what? 2821.7. Therefore 845.1 divided by 300 will be what? 2 place 2 zeros, so it will shift here, 2 digit left, then 2 point, the point will come here, 2.817. 2.817 is the answer. Okay, now come to question number C. $6.2 divided by what? 500. Okay, so first you divide by 5, then like this 6.2. Okay, then 5 1s are 5, here remain what? And 1, so 1 is not divisible, after that we are getting point, so we'll put point, we'll put 2, then 5 2s are 10, then 2, so point is there, so point is there, we'll put 0. Okay, then we'll get what? 5 4s are 20. Okay, then write therefore 6.2 divided by 5 equals to what? 1.24. Okay, therefore 6.2 divided by 500 will be what? You shift 2 places, here is 1 place, so the point will come at 2, so we'll make it 2 place because there are 2 zeros, so for that is on 0124. Okay, zero point 0.0124 is the required answer. Here you see 2 zeros are there, so the point will shift 2 places, here 1 place is there, so adding 0 will make it 2 place, so after that we will write point. Okay, and this is the last question for today. This is the last question, 3D. You see 250.24 divided by what? 300. Okay, so first divide by 3, 250.24. Okay, so if you divide by 3, then 3 8s are 24, 1, so not divisible, take 0, then 10, 3 3s are 9, 10 1, 10 minus 9 1, again not divisible, after that we are getting point, we will put point. Okay, then 12, then what? 3 4s are 12. Okay, now you see here Now we shall take what? 4. Okay. So 4, so we can give one time. Let us check by, oh, I have written wrong question. It will be divided by 800. Okay. So don't divide. It will divide by 800. Number D, 250.24 divided by what? 800. Okay. Now divide by 8 first. Okay. 250. Okay. 24. Okay. Then hand when what? 1. So 1 in notes will take 0. Then 8 2s are 16. So 8 1s are 8. Okay. 8 1s are 8. Now here remain 2. So 2 is not 2. After that we are getting point. So we'll put point here. And 2 is not, this will take what? 2. So 8 2s are 16. Here remain 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Okay. So not divisible. So we'll take what? 4. Then 8 8s are 64. Okay. 31.28. 31.28. Now after that we'll write therefore you see, write this one first. 250.24 divided by 8 we are getting what? 31.28. 31.28. Okay. Therefore if I divide by 800, so write 250.24. 250.24 divided by 800. It will be what? Like this. You see there are two, you write this one first. 3128. Okay. 3128, then 2 zeros. So the decimal will be shift here. Okay. 2 places left. So the point will come here. So we'll put a 0 before the point, and that is the required answer. Okay. So today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding the questions, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.